In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add newly received webhook data as contact in Hubspot.
Select HTTP as a trigger. Then choose New Request on HTTP link as a trigger event. Provide the webhook name. Now provide HTTP method as post and provide request parameters as shown. Now in steps, we have to create a new contact via Hubspot. For that, select Hubspot.
Then choose a new contact created as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on link an account.
Provide first name, last name, email from HTTP app data tree. Now let's provide the order details. Now go back to trigger. To set up a webhook, copy the URL, then paste it in our standard HTML form. Then save it as HTML file, form action. Then open it using the browser. Whenever we submit details via this form, webhook will capture the details. We are now ready with our journey. Save the changes and start journey. Now let's check the output. Go to webhook form. Provide your email address, name. Submit the form. Now let's go to journey. We can see journey is executed successfully. Go to Hubspot. We can see a new contact added with provided details in Hubspot.
In this way, we can create an automation journey to add newly received webhook data as contact in Hubspot.
I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.